Hello, welcome to Tech YouTube channel. In this video, I'll be talking about how to find and copy your ERC20 link address on Binance app. So the first thing you have to do is to upload or install your Binance app through your Play Store or App Store, depending on the device you are using. But before I continue, if you are new to this channel, do well to tap on the subscription button and hit the notification bell to always get notified anytime I upload a video like this. The next thing you have to do is to open it this way, or you launch it this way. Then this is the interface of my Binance app. The next thing I have to do is to tap on portfolio. Okay, this is how it looks like. The next thing I have to do is to tap on add funds because I want to receive money, so I'll be tapping on add funds. So the next thing I want to do is to tap on deposit crypto. So select the currency that I want to deposit. So I'll be tapping on USDT. The next thing I have to do is to select the network, which is ERC20 Ethereum. So I'll tap on it. So voila, you can now see the link for ERC20, also called Ethereum here. And if you want to save it or share it to another device, you can easily do that through this medium. So guys, if you watch this video to the very end, I hope it was useful to you. If it was, do well to tap on the subscription button and hit the notification bell to always get notified anytime I upload a video like this. Thanks for watching.